Is the air clear?
10-4.
1633. I got a 107. He's a 6 possible 64 J Perp, 95G. He's working on canal, approaching rampart right now.
Canal and rampart, you want me to put you on an item?
10-4. Put me on an item and, start me some units, no lights, no sirens, please. It's gonna be a black male. It looks like he's wearing a black jacket, a black baseball cap backwards with some symbols on it. He's got foam posits with, like foam posit sneakers with flowers on them.
Guy from earlier, he's a 64 G per.
You coming to you?
Now black baseball cap, flower foam posits, 64 G per, correct?
Hey, we got a unit. Give us the air. Hey, unit, that came up to the streetcar tracks right there. He's on your left right there, crossing the street. He's in the middle of the road right now. We're right behind you. Anderson, just follow our lead. We're gonna come in behind him. You go in front of him, cut him off, alright?
Alright, what unit is out there with your 1633?
Energy 1830, I'm out here.
10-4. 10-4.
Hey, you?
065.
And the victim wouldn't cooperate with us on this one. You can make it a 24 NAT with EMS 3233.
Okay. Alright, anybody injured?
Oh no, one gunshot.
Alright, any units injured?
No, sir. Just 2 APD.
Two down, canal and Elk. EMS code 2.
Alright, I need to know what if a unit is shot. I need to know where and where he shot. I need some information.
Eight one, I'm on the scene. I got one civilian shot. Looks like an officer's good.
Alright, what is civilian shot?
Alright,
They might be an officer.
I want on the corner down.
The phone of what?
Elk and North Airport. We got one civilian down there and one down here by the bus down. One more shot fly.
Alright, what is shots coming?
Shots are coming from 200 Avenue. 200 Avenue. Give me the officers down that way.
Oh, too late.
Again?
Alright, any units assault towards Tulane Avenue.
Where's he at?
Saratoga. All right. More shot fired.
1630, give the description.
He took his sweatshirt off. He's got white shirt, black cap. He's in the bushes in front of Tulane Hospital on the ground at gunpoint.
Tulane University Hospital in front. Let's go now.
Send for any units assault towards Tulane Hospital.
371, show me a route. 113, put me out there.
Out here. Hold on, 173.
297 on that.
I have, right.
On Tulane. Do not come riverbound on Tulane. You'll be in crossfire. From the Rampart Canal outside.
Alright, 113 en route. Who else is en route to this location?
135. We're going.
1630.
8 to Canal, please.
10 for what else you have out there, 1811? Give me some.
At 350 south on Canal and Elk.
You go to EMS stage at Tulane and Elk. Tulane and Elk, Tulane and Rampart.
Repeat that route in on our channels.
We need officers that's on the Tulane Hospital to call for that subject. I need 3 EMS units here, Canal and Elk.
820, I'm at Tulane.
Unit, if I come up Elk, am I
10 for 8.
Alright, 1160, man. I'm gonna cut traffic. Let's cut traffic at, Tulane and, was it Rampart? Elk?
Tulane and Rampart 1160, you gonna cut traffic.
Alright, hold the air, hold the air.
What a code for? Suspect down. Gunshot wounds. I need EMS over here in front of Tulane.
Where is he shot?
You guys do simple.
Out. 3. He's still, looks like he's still breathing. 45 PIV.
Hospital, 1400 block of Tulane. Canal and Elk and 1400 block of Tulane. 2 locations.
30 on the Canal? Alright, we need to know what units are gonna go for these 2 locations.
Alright, 1160. 1160. Put me at, Cleveland and Elk turning traffic off. I'm gonna need a unit to stop traffic at Cleveland. At, Rampart and Tulane, coming back towards Canal.
103, I can go ahead and do traffic blockage. Where do you need me?
I need you to catch that traffic right there, Rampart and Tulane, coming back towards, Canal.
Rampart and Tulane towards Canal 10-4.
Right now for Canal and Elk.
We need a citywide code 4 if we need more units on this.
Yeah, send some more units so we get this scene code 4 for now and roofed off.
439, you got myself and my unit coming over. Where you need it?
In Cleveland, Elk in Cleveland turning off traffic.
10-4. 94, Elk in Cleveland.
Go right behind you.
Tulane and Elk. Tulane and Elk. Shut that traffic too.
1800. The perpetrator is being transported to the hospital.
EMS still working on them on the scene. Back to Canal and Elk.
1520. Is it gonna be at Canal and Elk?
Yeah, careful. Your scene over here appears to be code 4. We're just trying to shut down traffic and clear some of this out.
Sarge, we're heading your way. We do need units. Alright, from now on, just block off Saratoga, 1 block from Tulane on the downtown side. We got it blocked off on Tulane at Canal. Block it off at Tulane, right at the ER entrance to the hospital on the Tulane side for now. That should be a good perimeter. Badge 1830 to badge 1892.
Block traffic by the Joy. Don't let it come down this way towards Tulane either. And let's bleed all this traffic off. Let's shut the whole thing down.
Alright, 1682, I'm at Canal and Elk, blocking off that traffic.
129. 129. LaSalle, Canal, nothing coming down Canal.
towards uptown. Shut that side down too.
Divert that traffic over there in front the same, but turn it uptown. Turn it the other way.
Send everything on canal towards the lake.
Okay, all those units that's starting to come up this way, look, this block traffic. The scene over here looks like it's full. They shut traffic right there, and we're gonna bleed all of this off.
The 7th District gonna take the hospital. Y'all coming in on 2-line or coming in on canal? Yeah, I'm coming up to the hospital exit right now.
1564. We got Canal Street shut down going riverbound at Freer and Canal.